Hello each and every one of you. I hope this video can help some of you. Stop advertising your happy marriage on the internet. Stop advertising your pregnancy on the internet. Stop advertising your kids' happiness, your kids' achievement on the internet. Some of you, you are just attracting jealous people. You are attracting evil in your marriage.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, today matter na about one video when I see for Facebook. The guy say why e be say una dey always dey like to dey carry una marriage thing come social media. He say e no good, e dey very bad. E no good make we marriage people or anything about you, anything relationship, your pregnancy. He say e no good make una dey carry am come social media. He say make una come listen to wetin happen to one woman wey get belle for triplets. He say make una come listen. He said because he no know the reason why e be say una dey always dey like to dey showcase una self for social media. He said e no good, e dey very bad. You know, he said because if not be social media wey this one go put itself, now wetin happen to am so if or not happen. He said the whole world need to listen to this video. He said because if in dey talk am say e no good as im be now, he no fit carry him wife matter social media come dey discuss am. No, he say e dey very bad. He say no know why e be say our women dey always dey do this thing and our men make we dey showcase our marriage. He say e no good. He say make we stop to dey do am. He just come advise everybody because of wetin he see wey happen to this woman wey get belle for triplets. He say so e dey very bad. He say no know the reason why e be say we women we no dey fit hide our things again. E must come out for social media. He say e no good, e dey very bad. So that is why he wan use this medium to advise our people make dem dey use their head, make dem dey use their brain. He say if you dey pray may God answer you for something, may you not go dey do all those social media things. He say e dey very bad, e no good. You know, and our people they always they do this thing well you go get belle when we they grow they come that time. I know our mothers they talk at that time say pregnancy where would they keep them because we know Africa where will for come now only Oyibo now they show their own. They go able tell you what they want born. You understand? But Africa people we know the kind wish way food our country now it make. If you get belle, we dey always dey hide and we no dey want show and come out because of the safety of that unborn baby. You understand? And you will get the belle too. But these days, social media can't spoil everything. We be say if you get belle, you want to show and out. You want to tell this one. You want to tell this one. You know, so now you can cause all those things. You understand? So now small, this man go take blame we women. No, now small because. It don't pass water, don't pass Gary, social media and everything. If you shit on social media, if you call for social media, so say husband and wife not the fit settle their things again by themselves. Oh, they must carry and come social media. Yesterday now they watch one live video presenter. We see they settle baby mama and baby father. You know, social media must carry am. That be the thing. And do not they forget say the presenters what I want go give, make it help una solve the problem. So. Their own, they never fit solve their own for her. So you also carry your own go give them because you dey see them for social media and you go feel say everything dey okay with them. Their own words pass your own. So keep your things to yourself for your house. You must not carry and come social media. So my darling people, I go put the video now, more na listening and more na help me see share. Make people still learn from me side. Thank you, my darling people. Take care. Bye.
Hello each and every one of you. I hope this video can help some of you. Stop advertising your happy marriage on the internet. Stop advertising your pregnancy on the internet. Stop advertising your kids' happiness, your kids' achievement on the internet. Some of you, you are just attracting jealous people. You are attracting evil in your marriage. You are attracting jealous people in your marriage. Stop posting your achievement on the internet. Not anything you achieve, you just go and post it on the internet. Some of you, we know you are not happy, but you pretend. We all have, hey, let me tell you, I'm also married and I have kids. But my marriage stuff and my family stuff, you will never see me, I post it on social media. Because it did not worth it. Some of you are the ones that are attacking evil. Some of you, you're pregnant, you go and take a video of your pregnancy. Oh, the baby is this. You take a picture, you put it on the internet. Who are you attacking? Satan. Some people are watching you, they are evil. They, hey, it's not all eye should see the baby inside your womb. No. It's not all mouth that should talk about your baby that is inside your womb. Women, and especially men, be careful of your marriage stuff. Be careful of what you put on social media. Social media is evil. Social media is a devil. But sometimes you are the one that is attracting the devil and those jealous people in your life. Because what you put on social media. You need to be very careful. My people, be careful. Some of you go and put your marriage stuff on the internet. And people in the Republic of Facebook start talking about it. Now you are upset. Because people are talking about the marriage. Who put it on social media? Who put your stuff on social media? Let me tell you. If you put anything on your phone, it's not secure. You have an iPhone, you have a Samsung, anything you put on social media, or you put it on your phone, it's not secure. There's one thing that I want to advise you before I go. My people, anything you post on social media, it will never come out. If anything you put on social media, it will never come out. It will be there for the rest of your life. So be careful what you post on social media. Stop attracting evil. Thank you, each and every one of you. My name is Dr. Babaja, aka Serin Chapatri. I am the voice of the voiceless. God bless you all.